All right, so there's absolutely no talking in the first minute of footage here. So let's do a little voiceover, shall we? So it's Friday, October 11th, and as you can see, apparently we've skipped right over fall into winter. It's blizzarding. This is me feeling cold and also depressed. University was also hit with a stupid amount of snow. Kind of looks pretty. Here's me waiting for the bus to go to work. As you can see, the wind is still ravaging, and I am standing in the shelter for protection. Here's a clip of me walking into work. Still blizzarding. Probably blizzarding worse than it had all day. Work got hit good. Here's me taking my hat off and realizing that, oh god, I have hat hair. On this day, my supervisor needed my desk to use the scanner, so I got her desk, which has a window, which was very nice. Super cool. Now, this is me after work, waiting for the bus, going home for Thanksgiving weekend. Now I'm on the bus, and can you see those fall colors contrasted with the snow? Stunning. But honestly, not as stunning as fall would be just by itself. So let's not forget that. And still blizzarding, me crossing the street with caution. My phone is gonna die, but it's Friday, October 11th, and it's officially winter apparently.
We have a problem.
So it looks as if our tree is hatched. Your shoe! Your shoe! Also, just right before my phone dies, it is officially Thanksgiving weekend, which is the best weekend of the whole year. I mean, the snow is putting a damper on it because it feels more like Christmas. But yeah, now we're in the car because we're driving my stupid fucking sister to work. And then we have to get dinner also. We were also gonna vote today, but due to the conditions, we're saving that for tomorrow.
We're voting tomorrow. Well,
You don't have a voting card.
Man, I just told you.
Oh!
I wasn't paying attention to you.
It's Saturday morning, October 12th.
You're a 12 out of 10.
And we're gonna go meet our gran for breakfast, so. It is still winter out. Okay, interesting. It's not even cold.
It feels like a March day.
Ew, Jenna, don't even say that to me! No.
Oh.
So it's like 7:30 and I've got the goddamn hiccups. I didn't really vlog much today because we honestly didn't do much. Like we just ran a couple errands and then also voted, which was good. And then we are just coming home from a Thanksgiving dinner at my grand's, which was fun. We're out again. Jenna's in the back. I just got a Starbucks, so did my mom. Thanks, Mom. Mm-hmm. And we're just gonna drive Jenna to her friend's house because they're going to the club tonight. Jenna, for once, is not being a boring asshole, so that's good news. Y'all ready to go? Hi, Jen.
Hi.
It's Sunday, October 13th, and we are hitting the road. We're going on a hike today out in Falcon Lake. It was one that me and my mom did in the summer. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty beautiful right now in the fall. And I don't think they received any snow. So that's even better. Okay, so it's now 12 noon and we're here. We made it. We made it, and it's literally.
I want pita pit. Sorry.
It's so fall. It's nuts. Like it didn't even snow here at all. Like. So we've found the appropriate trail. We actually did a super big shortcut because we learned last year that most of the hike is going in the opposite direction along the fucking road. So instead we climbed up this hill that I remember from last time, and we've made it to the top of the world trail. And let me just tell you, it is the greatest thing that I've ever done. I've never been on a fall hike before, and this was a great decision. We made it to the top. Speechless. I'm gonna cry. I really am gonna cry. This is the best fall experience. This is the best fall experience I've ever had in my whole fucking life. We are saying farewell because it's super chilly and all of our phones are dying because of the cold. So
They're fucking Santa Claus.
we literally could not have gotten a better day. It was like perfectly like cloudy and like there's no snow out here. This is like the best fucking Thanksgiving I've ever had. I'm so happy. This was great. So we made it back to the car. I literally could not have asked for more perfect weather, a more perfect day. We survived. That was amazing. That was so much fun.
More perfect company.
Exactly. That's such a good point. This is like out of a fucking movie. Like literally, this is not real. Like, how is this real?
Sip of your water.
Yes. Anybody can have a sip if they want. Is this even real? Like seriously, you guys. I've never seen more of a beautiful sight than this right now. Like look at those trees, you guys. Oh my god, there's a deer. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's so cute. You guys, look at him.
Oh, there's another one's coming.
Oh my god, you guys.
Be careful.
It's a deer family. Holy shit. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
If you're not gonna stay here.
Pull over, like, and I'll take pictures of you walking down there with those trees in the...
Hi. So I think this would be a good time to jump in and let y'all know I've been crowned the Queen of Fall. Thank you to my mom and my sister for always taking fall pics of me and for accompanying me on all my fall adventures, and to all my supporters for showing me endless encouragement and love. Now that this is my title, I will only be referred to as the Queen of Fall. Thank you to all, and to all good night. So as you can see, we've made it back to Winter Wonderland. I forgot to do a hiking outfit of the day while we were there, so we might as well do it now. Favorite brown hat, my gray sweater and white turtleneck kept me very warm, very cozy. This like utility jacket that I've had for years from Aritzia, and then just my Aritzia tights, some gray socks and my Blundstones, and obviously my favorite fall scarf. So So we've just been resting, and I was also editing a bunch of pictures. I still can't get over that view. That was literally insane. But yeah, the pictures turned out really nice. And now we're gonna go get pizza. Jenna, you look ravishing. Mm! Mom, Jenna just assaulted me. No! Okay, Jenna, stop! Well, first with her hand and then with her fucking shoe. I lost my mitts. Come on, Chris.
What?
Today was a really good day. Today was like my favorite day this whole year.
Quick, I want a poker or something.
I've been doing this all day.
Hi, what do you want?
I'll be back. Come here. Can you? Oh, thank you for the hug.
Why do I look like a 40-year-old woman? Oh my god. Anyway, my sister's home from work. She worked today, and we're literally making a Thanksgiving dinner. And it's Thanksgiving. I had literally been doing schoolwork all day, which was so actually disgusting. I'm not thankful for that, although I am thankful for my education. It is extremely Thanksgiving-y out today, perfectly overcast. And that's where we're at. So, there's been a new development. I'm home alone because my sister doesn't want my Thanksgiving dinner and she wants McDonald's instead. So, as you can see, my family, where's my mother? There she is leaving me. Happy Thanksgiving, Char. Here's Chris, sleeping on a backpack. Oh, family's home. How'd it go? They got me apple pies.
Charlie,
Baby,
sweetheart.
we're gonna cut that out.
That's not a pumpkin muffin. I know those are your favorite. That is not pumpkin.
All gone, babe.
Gone. Uh-oh.
Where'd it go? In my mouth.
Next time we make pumpkin muffins, we'll let
Oh,
you try.
she's angry. She is upset.
She's like, I'm not even talking to you.
Oh, shit.
Good.
I'm sorry.
Charlie, those aren't for Char.
I'm sorry. So, it is that time of the night where everyone has gone to their own rooms. And, yeah, I feel like I didn't vlog as much as I should have this weekend. I also didn't water my fucking plants. Sorry, guys. But yeah, but I will see you guys tomorrow because, there's actually no lab tomorrow, thank God. So I have the day off again tomorrow. And, my mom and sister are off all this week because my sister's on reading week and my mom took it off. So I still have one more day out of this weekend, except I have like 2 whole appointments tomorrow. And they're not fun appointments. It's a dentist and a freaking pap test. So tomorrow, oh God, I'm really dreading tomorrow, but.
Hi, is Ruby there?
No, she actually just died.
So it's still the long weekend for me, and I'm sitting by the fire doing schoolwork. And honestly, long weekends are so hard, you know? Like, I'm honestly exhausted. I think I feel more tired. I think I feel more tired now than if I had, like, been in school for the last 2 days. Sleeping in really doesn't make me feel rested. It makes me feel exhausted. Bye, Chris. So I'm out of the house and I'm going to the dentist and then I'm going to the doctor to get a pap test, which I'm very nervous for. So yeah, that's my Tuesday. I'm also really nervous because my dentist is at 2 and my doctor's is at 3. So like, am I even gonna make it there on time? I don't know. And I hate being late more than anything, so. Okay, so dentist was good. She went hard on my teeth though today. I am in actual pain. Also, don't have time to put my seatbelt on or put my jacket and hat and scarf and all that jazz back on. I think I am gonna make it to my next appointment on time. Okay, I'm here. Pray for me. All right, so I did survive. That was scary. That was really scary. And I was bleeding a little bit, so. Fun! All right, so that was Thanksgiving weekend. I am back to school and work tomorrow, so I'm gonna end this vlog. It was a really nice weekend, very chill. The hike was great. It was too bad that I had to do like schoolwork and stuff, but like, not the worst thing that could have happened to me this weekend. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up for me, and I will talk to you later.